Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to find local contractors on Angi. So first, open the Angi website or app and then enter your location. After that, choose the type of home improvement or repair service you need. Then browse the available contractors and review their profiles, rating, reviews, and service information. After that, create a project request if Angie asks you to provide more details about the work. Then describe the job clearly, including the type of repair and any important requirements. Then after that, compare the contractors and quotes or estimates available to you. Before hiring anyone, verify their qualifications, licensing, insurance, and other requirements that may apply to your project and location. So that was how to find local contractors through Angi. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.